Okay, we're going to start with a new Fusion 360 file. I want you guys to go over to your name over here and hit Preferences. And we're just going to check one setting. Under General, you want to make sure that the default modeling orientation is Z up. If it's set to Y up, click on Z up. That's it. It's good for 3D printing. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is go to document settings and make sure that it's millimeters. It either is inches or millimeters. We want millimeters. If you need to change it, you unit type and just make sure it's millimeters. All right. The next thing we're going to do is go to create sketch, and you're going to select this one, the one that is in between the green and the red. So this guy over here. And you're going to click the middle mouse button and hold it down, and you can move it over. And we're going to go 2-point rectangle here out like this, and we're going to make it 100 and hit tab and go 45. And we're going to hit OK. We're going to zoom in a little bit. We're going to go like this, and you can get the center here by, you can see it's an X. I haven't clicked anything, but it's an X with a triangle there. We click once and drag out. So I'm not holding the mouse button down. And I'm going to go 16 and hit enter. And we're going to do that again. Click here, over here, click to place the center, drag out, and then it's going to be 16 and hit enter. We're going to go to fillet and just click on the corners, and they'll come in 10 millimeters. That's the default setting. Okay, 10 millimeters. If not, you can type in the number, but 10 should be the default. And we're going to click this trim button, and we're going to get rid of some of these lines. So I want this line gone and this interior line gone, the interior and the straight line. And we're going to hit finish sketch over here, and then go back to this little house right there, which is the home button. We're going to go extrude and select the center one, and do that one more time. Select the center, and it's going to be 6. And then over here under taper angle, we're going to go minus 10 degrees. That brings it in a little bit and kind of creates an angle on the edges. We hit OK. Then we're going to go create sketch on the top, and this brings it back in. We're going to go modify, and we're going to go offset. And we hit this blue sketch curve here, and we're going to go minus 6 and hit enter. That brings that offset inside. I'm going to go over here to line, and we're going to find this little box here and come down. So it's just hovering over it, and we come down here and click there. Find the little box, click once, let go, click again, and that draws those lines. We're going to go to modify and get rid of these guys because we don't need them anymore. Click, click, click. Okay, and for now that's it. Finish sketch. We're going to go extrude and select this middle face here. We're going to go minus 3. And then again, with that, it's going to be negative 10 degrees. Again, that again creates a sloped side. And we hit OK. Then we're going to go to the center right here. Again, hold and click the center mouse button to kind of move this into the center. And we're going to go create, and we're going to go text. I'd suggest clicking this top corner here. Click one time, drag out, click again. Okay. And the sample text I want to type, it's going to be my last name. Now, I have these settings showing already because I was playing with this earlier, but you want to click, it should be Arial, bold, and then get this number as big as you can get it with all the letters of your last name so that everything fits inside this area. Okay, I have it outside a little bit, but you can see it's still on the flat plate of the inside. You want the alignment to be align center and align middle. Okay, and then we're going to hit OK. And then finish sketch. Go right here. And then I'm going to go right there. Okay. Now I'm going to click in here, and then I go up to extrude, and we're going to pull up. It's going to be 3 millimeters. And my taper angle, again, is going to be -10. Now, on my name, with my letters, it doesn't like that. The T doesn't work for some reason. So if that happens for you, if that happens for you, it's not a big deal. We're going to go in here, and we're going to go do a sketch, and we're going to select on this face, okay, and bring it over here, and we're going to go to create, and whatever letters got knocked out by what you did there, we're just going to put them back, okay? So you're going to make the box about that big, and I'm going to just put my T back. And you can see that it will center it, and it's like it was never gone. Now, we hit Finish Sketch and select it, and then we're going to extrude that up. So this particular letter will not have draft on it, meaning that it won't be a slope surface, but that's the best we can do. So that's what we're going to do. So you can see in here, we have slope surfaces on these guys, but this one will be straight. So it was the best we could do. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to type my name, first and last, and I'm going to say name plate, and I'm going to hit save. Okay, and then over here, I'm going to download this. We're going to go export, and we're going to export this as an STL file. There's all different kinds of files in here, all different ways you can convert this. We want an STL, and I'm going to export it like that. It's going to come up. It takes a while to do. I won't make you wait, but once it's done, you want to upload it to this assignment, and that's it for today. Thank you very much.